god. Okay. So, I completely forgot to film this video. This is my... oh, shit. March. October ipsy bag. I completely forgot to film it. So I was just gonna combine this with my November bag. So here's that video. So yeah, it's gonna be like a two-part. This is gonna be one video, both 2 different days in it. So this is what I got for October. This is the bag. It's this cute little mask. But overall, I don't like the bag. I think it's pretty ugly. But that's cool. I just hate the shade. Like, how is this October? The mask makes sense, not the shade. I don't know. Okay, but this bag was really good. I was actually really happy with it. So first thing that I absolutely love is I got a little baby Tarte Shape Tape, and I got it in the shade light medium. So I'm really happy about that. I just took this with me to Georgia and I love it. This one's also really cool. I was expecting to hate this because the color looked awful, but it is the Lip Fondant Half Baked in the shade Lover Boy. I love that. So it just looks like this awful, oh, it has makeup on because I took this to Atlanta with me too, but I didn't end up wearing it. It looks like this awful hot pink shade, but then on my lips, it's this really nice, like, pinkyish red. Like, I don't know, it looks more red. It's really cool. So I really like the shade. It smells good, but like a little too sweet, but it's still good. I really like the formula, and I think it's pretty good. So that was cool. What the fuck is it? Blush by Space Case. It's in the shade It's Not Me, It's My Sign, which I thought was really funny. It's a cream blush. It's like this weird cream to powder thing. I think the packaging's adorable. Oh yeah. Okay. So, I don't know, it's like cream. Oh my god, come on. It's so weird. And then it like goes into this powdery kind of feeling. I don't know. It's barely even showing up. I kind of want to use it just to see if it's actually going to show up. I don't have a blush brush near me, so I'm just not going to use it. And I've been too scared to like test it out for school because I feel like it's like not going to stay on and make my cheeks sticky too. So I don't know, haven't tested this out yet. I know that my ipsy bags are supposed to be like testing them out, but I've become so lazy with these videos because I just haven't been happy with any of my bags. So I'm not used to doing that. But I think I'm going to do like a makeup tutorial full of ipsy products. But anyway, then I got this eyeshadow. I always get an eyeshadow and I always hate it. It is the City Limits eyeshadow in Dance Party. Right? Anyway, cute little green packaging. And then the shade is green, which was pretty cool. I actually like this shade. This is probably like my favorite eyeshadow I've gotten because it's so different and I can actually see myself using it. And I like the formulation of this. It's like the same thing like the blush. It feels like a cream. But then whenever you swatch it, it's, yeah. Another swatch. I don't know. I thought it was a really pretty color. And that's all I got from ipsy this month. Very happy with it. Okay, hey guys, sorry for the shitty angle. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at this for now. It might have made the lighting worse, I don't know, and I'm looking at myself rather than the lens. So welcome to part 2 of this video. We are going to be opening up November's bag.
I just love my bra. It looks really good. A nice vibrant pink color to add a pop of color to this shitty video. Sorry. I'm not refilming this. So I guess we're just gonna be stuck with that. Okay, bye.
Oh, this is awful. This is probably one of the worst bags. It's so ugly. So I like the shape of the bag. I love that. I hate the pattern. So this bag was pretty good too. I'm actually really happy about it. First thing that I've been loving that I've been using is I can't say the brand name correctly, but it's the Punk mascara. There you go, that brand. It's some Deuce. Is it Deuce? It's the Punk Volumizer mascara. Anyway, I've been using it. This is what it looks like. I love that. So it's really good. Anyway, I've been using that with the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Then I got a brush. This is the eye shader brush by Bow something. I don't know. However you say that brand. Whatever that brand is. But it's just a nice shader brush. And I always run out of these. I got the Avocado Honey Rich Water Balm Cream. This is by Botanic Farm. Sorry, my like hamster is drinking water and he's really loud, if you can hear that in the background. Also, sorry if my microphone sounds weird. I need to get like the muffler thing, because if you guys hear that like sound in the background, it's my camera focusing. So sorry, I need to get something to fix that. If you know how to fix that, let me know. But this doesn't really smell like anything, so looks like that. I haven't used it yet. Got the, this was really exciting. I got the Tarte blush in the shade Quirky, which is perfect for me. See, I love getting like mini sized blushes because it's like the right amount of blush for me, because it takes me forever to like use up a blush. So I got the shade Quirky and it's like a nice peachy pink, super pretty. I really like this color. I've used it once and it was really bright and vibrant and I loved it. Last month, if you guys have been watching this entire video, I got this blush, the Space Case blush in the shade It's Not My Sign. Or no, It's Not Me, It's My Sign. That thing. I've been using it and I really love it. I used it today. It's like a ColourPop highlighter formula where it's like creamy, but then on your cheeks it's like powder. It's really weird. The balm, Bonnie Dew, I don't know, but it's just the liquid highlighter. It's in gold. It's too dark for me right now, so I'm gonna have to like hold off from using it, but I love liquid highlighters, like especially like this. I just love them. I have a little, look at that. It's so pretty. This one from Becca that I love. It's their, like a little baby size of it. That is everything I got for October and November. I honestly, those were probably the two best bags I've gotten from Ipsy. Packaging wise, awful. Product wise, on the dot. Like, it was really good. On the spot, I don't know. Really, really, really good. Love it all. So that is it for this video. What the hell? That scared the shit out of me and I don't even listen to this. This is my least favorite song from Travis Scott and it starts playing right on the dot at 11. That is so creepy. Like, my internet's been shitty for like the last 2 days and now it started working. That's really creepy. Okay, bye.